Hey guys, in Windows how we can install the Composer. For that you have to make sure PHP already installed. If not, let me give you some quick tip. You can download XAMPP by searching it and go to its download page and download it. Now I already got that download file, then I'm going to install it. Yes. I'm going to go next, next, next. Alright, we installed the exam. I'm going to click finish, and here we have to download Composer setup.exe. I already got that one also. We can install it. I will choose install for me only because I'm running Windows in my Mac. We don't have to select this developer mode because we need the installer. Okay, this will be the PHP path from exam. Then it will be okay. Click next. Yeah, go next, install. Okay, you must open new command window to use Composer for the first time because your environment has changed and running programs may not be aware of this. If this does not work, you will have to do one of following: close all file explorer windows, then open a new command window, or log off and log on again, then open a new command window. As a last resort, you may need to restart your computer. Okay, I'm going to finish. Let's view online documentation. Okay, now that is it. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.